mile drag racing competition. Kinsa na? 72. Okay, available pair next is Hirana from Hirana Moto, car number 72 versus Eric Casten, car number 77. Casten Crowns. Eric Casten has a dial in time of 10.5. Meanwhile, Hirana is 10.7. Paki-confirm, 10.7. Okay, you ready? One, two, three. Car number 67 and Hirana. 67 and 72. 67 and 72. Prince Ampatuan and Hirana Moto. Okay, abante, abante. With this we have two pairs left.
N7 ang cylinder.
Car number 72, car number 72, car number 72, lane choice po yung kalaban mo. Diyan sa na lane. Move ka sa left lane. Move ka sa left lane. Lane choice po yung kalaban mo. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, faster car has the privilege for lane choice. Once again, faster car last round. Okay, once again, Prince Ampatuan, car number 67 versus Hirana Moto, car number 72.
Game. Ay, wait.
Ang oras na 10.1. 10.1
Payaman Racing. Land control. Land control. Delete yung land control. Delete naman Racing.
Dangerous mo. Akin mo na rin.
We're ready. Finals is car number 79, finishing with 10.7. Tres Kapakungan from Team GI and B-Oil. Okay, last pair natin for quarterfinals. We have Siraz Pingaman, car number 57, and Hirana Moto, car number 72.
Dialin. Game.
Game. Man, bantay man, dikit ko man. Hindi ko kasi meron. Nag-helmet pa na, nag-helmet pa na.
Okay, Harry Stan and Hirana Moto.
Oo. Daot pa lang na yung...
Kung sino ang manalo sa kanila, siya na ang championship participant. Ang matalo, second runner-up na. Automatic. Since tatlo na lang sila ngayong naiwan for our semifinals. Ang matalo dito, automatic, second runner-up sa ating Class C category. We have Hirana Moto and Harry Stan of GTP Motorsports.
Game.
Sabi nga niya, quarter pa lang yata, posing alam ko closing semi.
Hirana Moto with 10.7 dial-in versus car number 68, Harry Stan with 10 flat. One.